Hello, everyone. Welcome to the daily close for the gold, silver, and palladium. We're gonna see what we got for tomorrow, of course, and what we got after the intraday. So, as we have expected, our highest probability here is to hit the wave 5 in a potential aggressive ending diagonal. So, we mentioned that it might be a diagonal which is not so aggressive, but be careful from the aggressive ending diagonal where we might get a final move here for a wave 5. And that means a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 is very likely to be done here. And we might continue the drop toward the downside after a finished A, B, and a C here, exactly finishing in the target for a wave 5 and in confluence as well with the target for a wave C. So this wave C can be considered finished here as an expanding flat A, B, and a C, guys. Currently, we are looking at some red candle. Those red candle on the 15-minute chart are not looking yet very impulsive, so we gotta be careful with it. Of course, in case we get one more low here, then okay, we got our 5 waves. We will need the 3 waves still, and then pushing downward again to take the low to confirm that we are pushing for something lower than that. Meaning, of course, the confirmation for weakness is not yet given despite the red candle, but it's a high probability, of course, in case we continue towards the downside, we're looking for a wave 5. Now, what I would like to mention for the bullish, in case that we still bullish, like some of you, of course, are very bullish for the gold. I respect that. Of course, there is a probability always for both guys, but it depends which one is higher and which one is lower. So basically, right now, the probability for bearish is higher, of course, but in case that things turns again toward the upside, once you take the high again and we push for higher, that is very likely scenario. Once you take the one-to-one Fibonacci level 4,185, this means that your wave 5 becomes longer than the wave 3, which is not allowed invalidation of the diagonal there. And of course, that means you are making a transition here to something very bullish, which means, of course, a wave 3 there. And that means this is a 1, 2, another 1, 2, and another 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And then looking even for higher for 5, 4, 5. This is very, very bullish, of course. So the green flag for something very bullish as reversal, so we can start to call something bullish unfolding here, is the 4K 185. So I'm going to put this key level there to watch it. So this is your confirmation for higher in a bullish scenario. Plus, you will be very, very close anyway to the invalidation of the bearish after it, which is, of course, something very possible in case this 4,185 is taken. Yep. Otherwise, we drop down, guys. So this is regarding the gold. For the silver, also as expected, a beautiful hit for the target here in the blue box as well. So we're looking at our target wave 5 in an aggressive ending diagonal, and we already had this scenario today. And we are looking right now for the path to continue toward the downside. Meaning you have finished an A, B, and a C here, and you're looking for a wave 5 to unfold to take the low here to hit the $55 at least. This is a bearish, and it is the highest probability. On the 15-minute chart, we start to see 5 waves toward the downside, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. We still need the 3 waves, and then pushing down again and taking the low as a total confirmation for something lower. So this confirmation for higher right now, it has transformed to a confirmation for lower, the same area there where we are looking for something lower in case we take this low again, and we might push for something as a wave 5. Be careful for the bullish. Of course, there is a key level for the bullish where we start to consider something very bullish is unfolding is by taking the one to one at 62.85. That means once you take this level here, this wave 5 becomes longer than the wave 3. It is not allowed, and that means, of course, 1, 2, 1, 2, and a massive wave 3 might be unfolding toward the upside. So $62.85 is your key level for something to confirm a bullish reversal here. We're talking, yeah, that the bullish is confirmed somehow. So confirmation for higher prices will be given from the $62.8 for the silver. For Palladium as well, we have mentioned, yes, we want to hit our 1-to-1 Fibonacci level today. This is exactly what we got. And that means the A, B, and a C here is very likely to be finished in case you are in 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 1, 2, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, yes, there is a probability even to push higher to test our next area here for the perfect fib levels for a wave 2, meaning higher prices are very likely, especially after a decisive move here if we take the high again, because this overpass or overshoot the 1-to-1 Fibonacci level, and that means something higher than just an ABC is unfolding, guys. Very interesting as well for XPD. We might see, of course, higher prices in any case scenario here. That was it for the gold, silver, and palladium. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord, and stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.